Juliana, so why are you here at the conference?
I'm here to look at some of the skills and the trends around women and leadership in Australia today. Most of the time I will be in a conference to speak, but this time I'm a participant and I haven't done that for a very long time, so it was really exciting for me to be allowed to come as a participant.
Great, and what are the 2 lessons you've learned from the conference?
Lots of lessons. I think my first lesson is to know how to effectively craft a message for negotiation. We also to be able to work in my areas of strength, and my area of weakness is actually negotiation, so that's what I've done, to learn the messages for negotiation and also to believe in myself.
Awesome, thank you very much.